everyone. Welcome to Adventures in TV Land. It is a Tuesday here in December, which means it is a new Happy Meal release at McDonald's. And the new Happy Meal at McDonald's is Sonic 3. Woo! Sonic 3. Look at that. Sonic's on the box there. Pop it open the side. You see the different characters you may get, possibly get. You've got Sonic, Tails, Knuckles, and then you've got Shadow, and you've got a couple different versions of Sonic and Shadow. So that is pretty darn cool. And the Happy Meal smile there is electric. On the other side, of course, they've got promote their digital. Everybody thinks digital. I don't know. So anyway, let's see what we have here for the Sonic 3 toy. And it looks like we've got Sonic and a blue roller. Ooh! So what's that mean? McDonald's, they put more money into the packaging now of the toys they have for the Happy Meals, but the toys themselves this past year have not been very good at all. So you open it up and there's a little roller there with some stickers, I'm assuming, that go on it. And this must be Sonic himself. And it is. It's Sonic! Sonic! Oh, yeah! I'm going to take a moment to figure this thing out and put the stickers on, and then we'll be right back. Now, if you want to know where the stickers go that are included with the toy there, the instructions there are on the back of the stickers. But the little red and white stickers, at least for the Sonic one, they go on his, they're supposed to be for his shoes. I'm not for sure why they didn't just color the shoes, put a little bit of red in there to start off with, but anyway, and of course the lightning bolts just go on the blue roller itself. Now we've got his shoes fully on, as well as the lightning on the roller. Let's take him for a test spin real quick. So there we have it, the Sonic 3 Happy Meal from McDonald's. Sonic 3 will be coming out in theaters on December 20th here in the United States. This is a great little promotion with McDonald's. It's a little bit better than some of the other ones they've had. Sonic 3, the fastest hedgehog alive. Or is Shadow faster? Guess we'll have to find out and see. Well, this has been another adventure in TV Land. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.